In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Lucidchart, a powerful tool for creating diagrams and visual representations. Adding text is a basic yet crucial step for labeling and explaining the elements in your charts. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through each step of the way. First things first, open your web browser and navigate over to Lucid's official website by simply typing lucid.co into your address bar. Once the page is loaded, you'll see a few options at the top of your screen. You're going to want to locate and click on the Login button. This will redirect you to the login page. Now to access your account, click on the Sign Up with Google button. This option is quite convenient if you prefer using your Google credentials, as it eliminates the need to remember yet another username and password. After clicking this button, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Just click on the account you wish to use. Once you're logged in, your next point of action is to locate your project. This should be visible under your list of documents or projects. Simply click on the project you're planning to edit. Afterward, you'll need to click Open. This will load your project into the main editing interface where all the fun part happens. With your project open, you should find yourself in the design space. On the left-hand side, there's a navigation pane, and what you're looking for is the Shapes tab. It is here where you'll find the tools you need for your diagram. Simply click to open it. Among the various icons presented in this tab, there's one you'll want, the text icon. It usually looks like a letter T or something similar, depending on the version of Lucidchart you're using. Go ahead and click on this icon. After clicking it, you can drag the icon to your workspace. This is your canvas, the area where your masterpiece begins to take shape. Once you have the text box in your workspace, you can begin typing. Click inside the text box to enter your text. This is your chance to add clarity and context to your diagrams by labeling key components or adding descriptive notes. Remember, adjusting the position of the text box is as simple as clicking and dragging it to your desired position. If you need to adjust the font style or size, simply look for the options at the top toolbar for customization. And there you have it. Adding text in Lucidchart is as easy as that. Hopefully this step-by-step walkthrough has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy charting!